Splunk is a software platform to search, analyze and visualize the machine-generated data gathered from the websites, applications, sensors, devices etc. which make up your IT infrastructure and business. Splunk can be used as your security nerve center in following ways. First, security monitoring. Correlation searches help find threats, determine security posture and compliance through continuous security monitoring of critical entities. Second, advanced threat detection. Splunk Enterprise Security allows organizations to aggregate, prioritize and manage wide varieties of threat intel from unlimited source of threat lists. Third, endpoints. Gain a collective view of all your endpoint security data to identify any outside attack or inside threat. Fourth, incident investigation and forensics. Shorten investigation cycles with visual analysis, graphical representation of thresholds, alarms, indicators and trends. Fifth, incident response. Visualize and document investigation cycles to detect, analyze and respond to security incidents and threats. Sixth, orchestration. Remediate threats at machine speed by automating actions to a variety of security tools. Seventh, fraud detection. Identify fraudulent activity and take action before it's too late. There are many more.